Today's video is about MRV of the brain, also known as magnetic resonance venography, which is an advanced imaging technique used to evaluate the cerebral venous system, especially the dural venous sinuses. MRV is primarily performed to detect cerebral venous thrombosis, or CVT, venous occlusion, stenosis, or any abnormal venous drainage pattern. It is a completely non-invasive procedure and does not use ionizing radiation. There are three main techniques used in MR venography. 1. TOF MRV, time of flight MR venography. 2. Phase contrast MRV. And 3. Contrast-enhanced MRV, or CEMRV. TOF MRV visualizes venous structures based on flow-related enhancement of blood. Phase contrast MRV evaluates velocity changes within the venous flow. Contrast-enhanced MRV uses a gadolinium-based contrast agent, providing the most detailed and high-quality venous mapping. Important cerebral venous structures, such as the superior sagittal sinus, transverse sinuses, sigmoid sinuses, straight sinus, and the internal cerebral veins can be accurately assessed for patency, filling defects, or thrombus formation. With MRV, clinicians can determine whether symptoms like headache, neurological deficits, seizures, or raised intracranial pressure are related to an underlying venous pathology. In summary, MRV of the brain is a safe, accurate, and high-resolution diagnostic tool that plays a crucial role in evaluating the venous system of the brain.